publishers, bloggers, content sites, apps, anybody making affiliate revenue, we need to talk. This is what we've been told is good monetization. Not so good. Cluttered user experience, ads popping up everywhere, and people only have 3-second attention spans. It doesn't need to be like this. But what if it looked more like this? Because this is Brambles.ai, your AI-powered affiliate chatbot. It reads every page on your site, is contextually aware, and can recommend products to your users, visitors, site visitors that they're already reading about. Instead of flooding your visitors with ads, Brambles.ai turns your content into conversational commerce. It's smarter, cleaner, and way more likely to convert. And let's be honest, your bounce rate can probably land an astronaut on the moon. The Brambles.ai affiliate chatbot is available now in the WordPress plugin store. Add it to your site in a few seconds and start earning from conversations, not clutter. Gosh, where do these keep coming from?